Weeny. Hey kids! Welcome to story time. Let us see a story about the lion and the cows. Once, a herd of cows lived in the village. They used to go to nearby forest for grazing. Every time when the herd of cows goes for grazing, each one will go in separate direction. In the forest, there lived a lion. The lion started to attack the cows that are standing alone. The old cow in the herd noticed that the number of cows is reduced. The old cow advised the other cows to always stay together while grazing. They agreed. The next day, the cows went for grazing, and were always together. The lion saw the cows, and thought of attacking them. The cows saw the lion, and started to shout all together. The lion was frightened, and ran away back. The cows were safe, and reached home happily. Moral of the story: unity is strength. Bye-bye. Please subscribe for more videos.
Weeny.